Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Fbk Aku. You are highly welcome. I do appreciate your support, your likes, your subscription, and to all those that share my videos. I really am grateful. If you are new here or if this is your first time, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. It's either down here or down there. Yes, kindly click and join the family. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about DIY mask. Yes, that is do-it-yourself mask. The mask we can do for ourselves while at home. You don't have the clinical mask. You don't have the appropriate mask to wear if you want to step out. And then, according to the U.S. Center for Disease Control, they now recommend that all Americans wear face masks in public to reduce the transmission of COVID-19. But hey, whether if you are American or not, COVID-19 is now a pandemic. So everybody must now wear face mask in public to reduce the transmission of COVID-19. And this is because there are widespread shortages of medical grade face masks. And the leaders and experts agree that those clinical masks should be reserved for healthcare providers, and then individuals are largely making face masks at home. Yeah, so now there's a shortage of the clinical ones, and even the healthcare the experts are even saying that the clinical ones, when they now come in stock, should be reserved for healthcare workers. So if you are not a healthcare worker, you have to improvise. No, yeah, you have to improvise. So that is what I am here to teach you to do today. Okay, let me stop talking and get right into practicals. Enough of the theory, let's get into practical. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So for my first DIY, I need a tissue paper, yes, of this size long. I need two of this here. I need my stapler, and then I need my bands. You can either use the rubber bands or your hair bands. I do not have the rubber bands, so I'm using my hair bands. So let's get into folding it. You fold it this way, then the other side. You make sure you press on it so it stays firm. The other side, and then this other side. Now you are done. You take your band, put it inside this way, and then fold it so you can use your stapler. My stapler is quite small, so it might be quite difficult, but if you have a bigger one, that's even better. So we clip it. We do the same for the other side. You put it in, you fold it, then you clip it in as well, just as you did for the other one. There you go. So you've got it, both ends clip, this end clip, and then this end clip. So now this is the final look. You have your rubber band on both ends. So this is just for a single use. You cannot reuse it, okay? So you put it around your nose. I've got tiny little ears, so it's quite problematic. I've got really tiny ears. I hope you can still hear me though. Yeah, so you put it around your ear. Yeah, and there you go. Make sure it covers your nose, and voila, there you go. This is just for single use. Once you return from town, once you return from wherever you went to, you just bin it, okay? Yeah, so this is number one. Let's get into the second one. Yes, so when you're done, it's going to look something like this. Yes, I tried. Yours might turn out to be better. But yeah, so with this, you're okay, you're safe, you can step out. But this is not a guarantee for you to be going out, like, I wouldn't want to say aimlessly, but you can only go out when necessary. That is when you want to go get foodstuffs, okay? Okay, so with the second DIY, you need to get a top, a shirt, any blouse of your choice. I've got my black one here. So you're gonna put it around your neck this way. Just watch me. Gonna put it around your neck this way, yeah. So you make sure it covers your nose. Look for the two arms, yeah, that like this. Look for it this way. I hope you can hear me though. Make sure it covers your nose, the two arms out. You tie it to your back, make any necessary adjustment. Most importantly, you should cover your nose. So with the two arms, you take it to your back and then you tie it against each other. The right arm against the left arm, and then you tie it. So you tie it this way, you're good to go. Otherwise, you want to modify it, you take the back of the top, you bring it right to the front. Oh la la! How do I look? This is actually nice though. Look at the back. Yeah, can either do it this way. This is a perfect one. So it's advisable to go in for a cotton top here, so that at least it wouldn't be so light as the tissue paper. So this is it. We are all good to go. Otherwise, you can also do it this way with the arms out like this. Don't tie it yet. So you take the back of the top, you bring it forward like this, and then you now take the arms, you now look for the arms and then tie it to the back. Okay, yeah, this makes it tighter than the first way. This makes it tighter than the first way. There you go. You look like a Muslim sister, you know, but you are protecting yourself. Assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum. So this is the second way, yeah? So you're good to go. And then you can either use a short sleeve or a long sleeve. Let me try with a long sleeve as well. But I'm really in love with this one, yeah. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to try with a long sleeves. Yeah, it's basically the same method, but let's just see how it goes, if it's going to be any different from the first one. Yeah, so make sure it covers your nose. Look for the arms. Make sure it covers your nose. Take the arms. You tie it. This one just gives you a longer, yeah, a longer stretch. As usual, you take the back of it. And then you just put the remaining arm inside this way. And there you go. There you go. La, la, la. Yeah, you know. Chak, 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 chak. I think this one is, yeah. The longer one gives you excess to make it tighter, yeah? So, that's it. So, let me read to you the letter that just came in. Let's read this. It just came in from the UK government. Lord, I hope no coronavirus. It says, what? Coronavirus, stay at home, protect the NHS, save lives. Oh, so thoughtful. So this is from the Prime Minister. I am writing to you to update you on the steps we are taking to combat coronavirus. In just a few short weeks, everyday life in this country has changed drastically. We all feel the profound impact of coronavirus, not just on ourselves, but on our loved ones and our communities. I understand completely the difficulties this disruption has caused to your lives, businesses, and jobs. But the action we have taken is absolutely necessary for one very simple reason. If too many people become seriously unwell at one time, the NHS will be unable to cope. This will cost lives. We must slow the spread of the disease and reduce the number of people needing hospital treatment in order to save as many lives as possible. That is why we are giving one simple instruction. You must stay at home. You should not meet friends or relatives who do not live in your home. You may only leave your home for very limited purposes, such as buying food and medicine, exercising once a day, and seeking medical attention. You can travel to and from work, but you should work from home if you can. When you do not have to leave your home, you should ensure, wherever possible, that you are 2 meters apart from anyone outside of your household. These rules must be observed. So, if people break the rules, the police will issue fines and disperse gatherings. I know many of you will be deeply worried about the financial impact on you and your family. The government will do whatever it takes to help you and to help you make ends meet and put food on the table. The enclosed leaflet sets out details about the support, blah, 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 blah. That is why at this moment of national emergency, I urge you to stay at home, protect the NHS, and save lives, yeah? So this just came in from the government. So in this, it just gives you like how to, the steps, how to help you stop the spread. You know, I think this is very handy. Very, very handy. So that is it. I'm just talking about coronavirus, and the letter just came from the government, still emphasizing the fact that we have to stay at home. So yes, we will stay at home. Right into the video. So the last DIY to talk about is, say you have a scarf like this. What you do is you fold it into 3, no? Yeah. You fold it into 3 like this. You tie, you put your rubber band in between this way like this. Put it another way like this. So your rubber band in like this, your rubber band in like this. So now you are going to fold it. Don't know if you can see, but I hope you can see. You fold it this way. You do the same for the other side. You fold it inside. So now you take it from this side. Then you fold it a little bit more. So like this. And then, oh God, I've got tiny ears. Something like, if you have a bandana, napkin, whatever you have, bear in mind that this is improvisation, yeah? So this is how this one also looks. I've come to the end of today's video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, don't fail to also share it with your friends and loved ones. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you remain safe, you stay at home, and then do all that you have been told to do. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Remain safe, stay fit, and stay healthy. God bless you. Until I see you in my next video, stay safe. And don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe. Thank you all so much. Bye.